This is Michal Malevich and you're watching Design is Over. You're probably used to this angle, so let's switch it up a little bit and go here for a change. And this right there behind me is an axe. Let's talk about the 3 things about design that are over this week. The first one is Apple really going back on liquid glass. I kind of came up with this idea of deep glass 2 years ago and annotated it. And in my case, it wasn't as translucent, which made it, I think, way better. And Apple is now making it less translucent again because people are complaining that they can't see shit, which I guess totally makes sense. If you make something as transparent and as gimmicky and you have layers over layers over layers of glass, that's just not gonna work because it's gonna cognitively overload you big time. Something that I talked about, I think last month. Nothing's changed, they are reverting back. What I would think would be the best idea is to remove that glass part completely and go with the liquid, because the transition between the elements, so like a circular button can pop off into a couple of other buttons, this but fully opaque on white backgrounds on the buttons or black in dark mode, that would be way better. The second thing for today is gonna be about Figma being over. Yeah, that's my favorite thing to talk about, I guess, and there is an axe over here as well. So is Figma over? I don't know, and I don't really care as much, but there are some issues. They are spending extreme amounts of money on server costs alone. The service isn't improving. There are still those shady tactics with pricing and people are complaining. And it turns out that they are buying Bitcoin. That doesn't really say much about the belief that we're gonna ship some nice features and make money that way. And with AI coming, they even admitted that they're pretty afraid that AI is gonna ruin that business model because less people will be needed as designers, so less people will be paying for those super expensive licenses. Wonder how that is gonna unfold. I also relaunched my course about business for freelancers and agencies, sharing all my company secrets, and there's one thing that many people still do wrong, so let me show you an example. What to do when a client writes this to you. Many people try to go around it and write some weird explanations that it's gonna cost you more because this or that blah blah blah. But it has to be done in a way that you won't undermine yourself, because some responses, like this one, can actually be pretty bad. So instead, I'm showing you my branching out chat decision trees, which you can follow like in video games, and then pick the narrative that will work best for your current situation. This is a very unique way to handle communication based on 26 years of me doing that. So I'm sharing how to handle clients, how to get clients, how to grow your business in the course. Link in the description. It's gonna be more expensive sometime soon. Well, who cares? You know what it's all about. Go check it out. And the last thing for this week is Elon Musk has been talking quite a lot about the dropping fertility rates in the world, I guess, most of the world. And then he releases this.
Triple trouble. You know I can't resist you. Leans in close, lips soft and teasing, pressing a slow, warm kiss against yours. Feel that spark, babe?
An AI companion for incels, basically, that is done in a way that I guess more people will be now not really dating real humans anymore. So yeah, nice job, Grok. This is a really good UX for humanity, that people are not gonna be procreating anymore because they will have their perfect Japanese style cartoonish new love interest. Yeah, I guess AI won't even have to kill us all, it just has to wait us out. What do you think? Let me know in the comments, subscribe or don't subscribe if you don't want to. I'm gonna be here probably in 2 weeks with another part of Design is Over, but if you're gonna leave a comment and leave a like under this video, then I might even be smiling in 2 weeks. Not likely, because I'm Polish, but maybe. Cheers.
Design isn't over. I do cool things at free.design. Check it out.